Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll guide you on how to fix the Hamster Combat app if it's not opening on your Android device. Let's dive right in. Alright, as you can see, I have Hamster Combat on my screen, but it's not working. It's just showing a blank screen. Here's what you need to do. Tap the settings icon on your Android device. Scroll down and select App Management or Applications. Tap App Settings or Manage Apps to see the full list of installed apps. Scroll through the list and find Telegram. Tap on it to open the app's details. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache to delete temporary files. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Be aware this will reset the app. If clearing the cache and data didn't fix the issue, go back to the app details. Tap Uninstall to remove the app. Before you uninstall the app, make sure you have a backup of your data if needed, so you don't lose any important information. After uninstalling, head back to the Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and reinstall it. And after that, open the Telegram app and open Hamster Combat. As you can see now, it's working. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.